Well, welcome back to Chinaron. This is an interesting how-to video. I was at a business meeting a week ago or so, and the motel that I was staying in had a problem with the microwave. And what was happening is when you put your coffee in, or you're opening the door, or just programming it, the microwave was rocking back and forth. So I went ahead and tipped it up and realized that one of the feet were gone. So rather than dealing with it, I went down to the local Lowe's and I picked up some of these Scotch 24 gripping pads. Only needed one, but I bought the whole package. And this is the second time this has happened to me in a motel. I'm not exactly sure why they don't fix this, but maybe they just don't know about it. So I was able to prop it up with a cup, put the new pad underneath it, and set it back down. All I had was my phone. I had no tripod. I had nothing for to work with lighting. So I really had to make the best of it. So that's kind of why I threw this together with the way I am right now with just a voiceover. So I hope this helps you with your microwave problem, either in a motel or at your home, or wherever the case may be. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.